To remove the dirt cup from your one-power blade cordless vacuum, first, turn it off and remove the battery. Pinch the tabs to remove the dirt cup. Now press the release button to empty it over the trash can. To close it, push the door until it locks into place. If there's still debris in the dirt cup, open the lid, remove the separator, and wipe the metal mesh with a paper towel, and remove any debris. Replace the separator and close the lid. To replace the dirt cup, line up this black tab with the handle and swing until you hear it click. If you're still having issues and difficulty with your vacuum, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.